Good morning, class 3. Hope you all are fine. Today we will do the back exercise of chapter number 2, Understanding Ourselves. Question number 1 of the back exercise is name these, and the first statement is all parts of body join on to a part are called dash. The answer is brain. Look in this picture. Our brain is the part of our body that control all other parts and their function. Our brain is linked to the other parts of our body by the help of nerves. The next statement is a sensitive area present in the nose are called dash. And the answer is smell organ. Our nose is used to breathe in and breathe out. When we breathe, air passes over a sensitive area known as the smell organ. The third statement is brain is linked to other parts with, and the answer is nerves. Brain is linked to other parts with nerves. These blue lines are called the nerves. You can see in the picture our brain is linked to other parts of the body with the nerves. The fourth statement is transport system of the body is called dash. The answer is blood. Look in this picture. Blood is the transport system of our whole body. Blood travels through pipes called the blood vessels. The fifth statement is framework of bones is called dash. Answer is skeleton. Framework of bones is called skeleton. Look in this picture. The framework of our bones is called skeleton that supports our body. It supports our brain, heart, and other soft parts. And our height are also depend upon the size of our skeleton. Sixth statement is black part of the eye is called dash. Answer is pupil. We use our eyes to look around. When light goes through the black part of our eye, we can see. This black part of our eye is called the pupil. Seventh statement is largest part of the body is called dash. Answer is skin. Largest part of the body is called skin. Our skin is the largest part of our body. This is why it covers up everything. You can see in the picture half part is covered with our skin and half part of our body is naked. Our skin is waterproof. The last statement is we can feel pain, hot or cold through our dash. Answer is skin. We can feel pain, hot or cold through our skin. Our skin is bent and stretched. It sweats when we are feeling hot. Sweating helps us to cool down. Now we do the question answers of chapter number 2, Understanding Ourselves. Exercise number 3 is answer these questions. And the first question is write the function of the following body parts. Important parts of our body. The first part of our body is the brain. Our brain is the part of our body that control all other parts and their functions. Look in this picture. Our brain is linked to the other parts of our body by nerves. These are the lines of nerves. These are like telephone lines. Through nerves, brain send and receive messages from different parts of our body. Next part name is the blood. Blood is the transport system of our whole body. You can see in the picture, these red lines are the arteries of our body through which the blood transport. Water, food and oxygen all are carried in the blood. It also collects waste material from all parts of the body. Blood travels through the pipes called blood vessels. The third body part name is the heart. Our heart is like a machine. It pumps blood to every part of our body. Look in this picture. Our heart is a powerful muscle. It works all the time. The heart is the center of our blood system. It pumps blood through blood vessels. The next body part name is the stomach. Everything we do needs a supply of energy. Walking, running, and even sleeping all need a supply of energy. Energy comes from the food we eat. Our stomach helps to digest the food. When food is digested, it provides energy to our body. Part name is eyes. We use our eyes to look around. When light goes through the black part of our eye, you can see in the picture, this black part of our eye is called the pupil. Our eye is really the size of a table tennis ball. Eyes work like a camera. The next body part name is ears. We hear sound with our ears. You can see in the picture we have two ears. We hear different sounds when they reach our ears. Our ear is divided into three main parts, but we can only see the outer ear, and sounds are picked by the outer ear. The next body part name is nose. We can smell different things with our nose. Look in this picture. Our nose is also used to breathe in and out. When we breathe, air passes over sensitive area known as the smell organ. This area contains fine hairs and nerves. The next body part name is tongue. Our tongue helps us to speak. It also helps us to eat and taste food. When we eat something, we can instantly tell if it is sweet, salty, bitter, or sour. Our tongue is very sensitive to these four tastes. And the last body part name is skin. Our skin is the largest part of our body. You can see in the picture, our skin is the largest part of our body. This is why it covers up everything. It is waterproof, it bends and stretches. It sweats when we are feeling hot. Sweating helps us to cool down. Question number 2 is, what is skeleton and why is it important for us? The framework of bones is called the skeleton that supports our body. You can see in the picture, this is a framework of our bone. It's called the skeleton. It supports our body. It protects our brain, heart, and other soft parts of our body. Bones are solid like metal. They also need a blood supply. When you were born, you had about 350 bones. When you are fully grown up, you have 206 bones. The remaining bones are modified and changed into our body parts. Our height also depends upon the size of our skeleton.